Planning your trip to Egypt? Good news. You can now apply for your eVisa online. Skip the long queues and get ready for your adventure faster. Here's how it works in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Complete the online application form with your personal, passport, and travel details. Step 2. Pay the eVisa fee securely online using your debit or credit card. Step 3. Once approved, you'll receive your eVisa via email. Print it or keep a digital copy to show when you arrive. There are 2 types of eVisas: single entry, valid for 90 days, multiple entry, valid for 180 days. For both types, you can stay up to 30 days per visit. To be eligible, you must be a national of one of the eligible countries. Your passport needs to be valid for at least 6 months beyond your arrival date. The purpose of your visit must be tourism. Important tip: apply at least 2 weeks before your travel date to avoid delays. And that's it. Simple, online, and ready for your journey to Egypt. Get your eVisa sorted, pack your bags, and discover the magic of Egypt. Safe travels.